Welcome to your Advertisement Techniques lesson. So, we are going to work on advertisement over the next 4 weeks. You'll learn about what they are, why they're used, and you will even create your own. This is going to be really fun, and there's going to be a lot of projects, and you guys are going to make your own stuff. So, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. But first thing, look at my shirt. It says, Teach Casey with a little blue heart. Got blue, white, and some gray on it. When you look at my shirt, are you really thinking about teachers? Or are you thinking about the Kansas City Royals, which is the baseball team in our city? You're probably thinking about the Royals and not teaching. That's because if you look at my shirt closely, yeah, it looks like a book, but it also represents a baseball diamond as well when you look at it from afar. And the KC, we see that all over the Kansas City Royals logo. Not to mention, I'm wearing their colors. So it's important to know about advertisement because they are literally all over the place. I mean, I'm pretty much wearing one right now. So let's go into it. Advertisement. Well, what are those? Advertising is a type of creative communication. It is tried to encourage people to take action or persuade people to continue an action. An action could be, whether to vote on something, or to buy something, or to sell, or protest against something you don't like. So those are all different types of actions that a company or people might try and persuade you to do through advertisements. These are different types of advertisements and where we see them. They're all over, like I said, the TV commercials, online ads, your phone, your iPad, the billboards, radio, computers, magazines, YouTube, anywhere you go, you're going to see some type of advertisement for either a product or to persuade your opinion of something. They're all over. There are 6 main techniques that we are going to focus on for this unit. The first one is humor, shock is the second one, emotion is the third, demonstrate is the fourth, comparative is the fifth, celebrity endorsement is the last one, the sixth one. I'm going to show you pictures of each one, different examples. The first one, humor. You might be looking at this like, that's a little silly. There is a lion's mane all fluffed up like normal, maybe a little bit extra. And then you see a lion with a nice flat comb over mane that just looks beautiful. This is funny because obviously lions don't do their hair. But the company, the shampoo and conditioner company trying to sell you this product thought, hey, we can get them to laugh. They might like us. They might buy our product. The next one is shock. If you look closely at this picture, it is very shocking. Part of the woman's face is normal and the other part is what her face would look like when maybe she's 100. So it's very shocking to see two different faces. The purpose of this advertisement is to persuade people to stop smoking cigarettes by showing you the actual effects it can have on your body, which is aging you. The next one I'm going to show you is emotion. This one says spare parts for humans are not as original as those for cars. Don't drink and drive. This one is to make you feel something, make you feel sad or even mad, to be against people drinking and driving. That's the type of action they want you to take here, is to rise up and say, don't drink and drive, and don't do it yourself. The next one I'm going to show you is demonstrate. So you might see some commercials where they actually show you how to use the product. This is true when anytime you see a cleaning commercial, you always see them clean, like with Windex, like, oh, look, it's so shiny and so easy to use. A lot of those is just demonstrating to show how easy a product is. The easier a product is, the more likely someone's going to buy it. The next one is comparative. I love these. I think they're kind of funny. So you'll see these on like McDonald's versus Burger King. They'll be like, this is their sandwich, it's so little, but this is ours, it's really beefy. So this one is trying to show you that, oh, our product is better than their product. Our food is better than their food. It's kind of To me, it's humorous, but it shows you the difference between the two products so that you will want to buy the better product. And then the last one, celebrity endorsement. Say hello to Beyonce. Beyonce is endorsing Pepsi, which means this celebrity, Beyonce, was paid a lot of money just to take this photo and have Pepsi's name on it. It doesn't even say Pepsi, it's just the logo on her lips. But they paid the celebrity probably thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars just to take a photo. Because if you see a celebrity like it, well, you might think that's cool. And if you think that's cool, if you like that celebrity, you're more likely to buy it. And companies know that. They want you to buy what they're selling. And if they're persuading you, they want you to be on their side. And they will use whatever they need to get you to think like them. So, why is advertising important and why you can't ignore it? Like I said, it's everywhere. These companies, they want to make money. They do. If I wanted to have a company, I would show everybody, this is my product and this is how cool it is. The more money a company has means the more products they can make, and even new products like Nike. Well, we don't want to wear the same shoe over and over, but if they want to make a new shoe, they have to have the money to do it. Another one is to get important ideas out to people. So just like the smoking and drinking and driving, it can be used for good things like you shouldn't smoke. It's bad for your health. Don't drink and drive because there can be serious consequences. And then the other one, advertisement is everywhere, literally everywhere. My shirt, for example. Here's the next thing I want to talk about. Why do you need to know this? Why am I making a video to teach you about advertisement? Why are we doing this during summer school? Why is it important? Well, because you and I, all of us are consumers, which means we are the people who buy the products, or we are the people who make the choices. If we want to stop people from smoking, well, we shouldn't be going and buying cigarettes. Nobody should. So we would be the voice then. We would tell people we love and know stop doing it. Or to know how to spend our money better and make better choices. And also so you can know what a company is trying to advertise to you. And don't be persuaded so easily just because a celebrity is on it. You actually need to know more about something before you buy it. And you also should know more about something before you make a choice about it, like voting, for instance. So going back to, what actions we have, we can vote, buy, sell, or protest, which means to be against something. Right now, we are in an election year. We have new candidates running for president. So we're going to see a lot of those advertisements that are trying to persuade us to vote for a certain person. And they're going to use all 6 of these different techniques to try and get us to choose who they want to win. People who are running and supporting Donald Trump will use techniques to try and get us to vote for him. People who are for Joe Biden will also use the same techniques. People who, a third party, you may not know them, they might use the same techniques. So it's very important in our lives, even right now. So get ready because you guys are actually going to have your own product you create. You're going to make an advertisement for it. You're going to make a slogan, and we'll talk more about that. And you guys are actually going to make a commercial too. So be excited, be prepared. I hope you enjoy this. Bye, guys.